Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Bitcoin update today, and click on the top right of the video to know what the private is all about, because we're open up and we have 8 more days to close the private. If you want to join for Q2 and April, message me on Discord. I think it is time for Bitcoin to move up from here. It looks perfect, absolutely picture perfect to start to go to the upside. Now, I do understand that there are some time when you have a lot of fake outs going on and stuff like that. But to me, as long as Bitcoin doesn't go to, 81,013, I think Bitcoin from here, from this point onwards, is ready to push up. Now, what can I say? Look at this beautiful triangle resistance and another resistance rejection, one resistance rejection, one clear break to the upside, couple of retests going on in here, and you have been successfully retesting that trend line. What else do you need, right? It is pretty much getting confirmed so many times on the 4-hour time frame as well. If you check again, the confirmation is there, and it looks beautiful. The confirmation is just really beautiful, and on top of that, you're now trying to get above the EMAs. You're trying to make that bull cross, and then you start to push to the upside. So if things are good, if things go as expected, then I think we are ready to look at this next technical target, and at least we're getting up to 92,763, if not 94,000, and then again you have some liquidity grabbing opportunity right here as well. A lot of people may have their stop losses here, so it does look like that's the plan. Come up here, take the stop losses. Altcoins are also looking amazing. They're breaking out in the smaller time frame, and they're kind of like ready to fly anytime soon. I don't know, in 3 days, 4 days. I think within 3 days we're going to see a completely whole different market from what we've been seeing. A lot of people are very negative right now, and that's fun. That's amazing. I embrace scared people. I embrace scared market sentiments, and I also embrace fear. I embrace FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. That's amazing. That's amazing, because that's exactly what has helped me earn a lot. Whenever I earned, it's just during these times, honestly, and whenever we have lost, it's just when everyone else is excited. Now, if you have been here, if you've been here long enough, you'll know what I'm talking about. But that's pretty much it for the Bitcoin update. There's nothing. I'm not going to stretch the video too long today. So up here, 92,000, hopefully. We just don't want to get down below 81,000. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.